Minimize the transformations of the basic function, then answer each question and justify your reasoning. Which function has a lower minimum? So if I make a quick sketch, and here's another great idea. Drawing the same sketch sometimes on the same one allows you to kind of compare. So this is j of x, negative 2, 16, negative 1, 1, 0, 0. And then I realize that these points are symmetrical. They have the same y values. You see that? So right 1, up 1, right 2, up 16. Did you guys notice that I didn't really have to use the first and second common difference? I'm only going to do that if I can't determine on a visual what it is. But that clearly looks like a parabola, quadratic, right? And if I look at this problem, it says, which function has a lower minimum? Well, minimums and maximums, although the x-coordinate moves my pen here left or right, the minimum is actually based off the y value. So here is the minimum. And on the y-axis, this number is 0 is my minimum. Let's take a look at the next one. K of x is 5 times the function of f. Now, this is not f. F is above. It's a quadratic. So if you draw a quadratic, something a little bit skinnier, because yours would be kind of like 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, right? Or 2, 4. So you'd be like this. Then you're going to move it to the right 5 units. So right 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Something like this, right? And then you have, you're going to go up 2. So now I'm going to move it up 2. And then the last one is a vertical stretch by a factor of 5. By a factor of 5. So that basically means that you pretend those are my daughter's arms. She says, Dad, pick me up. I'm bigger than her, so when I pick her up, she doesn't have enough strength, so her arms are going to go closer. They're going to become skinnier. So this is my graph and the transformations. Okay? So essentially you have the dark green versus the light green. Now if I'm looking for the minimum for this value, I'm going to say it's probably like a positive number. Do you see that? Somewhere right there. So a positive number. Then the question asks, which function has a lower or a smaller minimum? What number is that, class? Light green or dark green?
Light green.
The light green is lower. This orange mark is lower than that one. And that's the answer.